In SQL, why do you sometimes see code written with this 1 equals 1 in the where clause? Are people in the comments just messing with me on this one? This was the original code that I was showing in that previous video on why people use 1 equals 1 in their SQL code. But a lot of people actually commented back and they said you don't need to use the 1 equals 1 and then start each line with and like this. You can just put and at the end of the line. That's not going to work or avoid using the 1 equals 1, and it's going to create the exact same problem that we were trying to overcome by putting the 1 equals 1 in there in the first place. First, what they're saying is you'll write your statement here, then you'll put an and at the end of the line, and then you'll have your second condition here like this. Both conditions start without any reserved words, but only that first line ends with that word and. If you comment out that first line, you'll be fine and you won't run into any errors, but if you comment out the second line, you're going to get an error. This is the exact same problem that you would have when we don't have 1 equals 1 and you comment out the first line. The second issue here is that putting an and at the end of your SQL statement is completely inconsistent with how SQL is written. Almost all of the reserved words that you have here, like your select, your from, and your where, they always start at the left-hand side, and then you have all of your other instructions and logic on the right-hand side. So I don't know if people were just making that as a suggestion or if they actually use it in practice. I've never seen it in practice, but I sure hope that no one actually does this.